After 4.5 years in construction, and with a workforce of about 5,000, Prelude is almost ready to leave the shipyard in South Korea. The world's largest floating liquefied natural gas facility will be towed all the way to a remote gas field off northwest Australia. No mean feat considering it weighs 425,000 tonnes.
For me to really feel comfortable with it sailing away, I want to make sure that it is as complete as it can possibly be. There's no safety issues, that we have actually done what we said we would do.
Final work is underway to ensure Prelude is ready for the journey.
So there's many jobs ongoing at the minute to prepare for towing, which is going to start later in the week. We just finished the markings of the heli deck, so if you like, we're cleaning from top to bottom at the moment.
Before Prelude can leave, the team have to be confident that there are no marine stowaways clinging to the hull.
I've actually had oysters about the size of my hand here. They're probably about €50 each on the Champs-Élysées. And what we're actually doing on this barge is we're just cleaning the last of the marine growth off of the hull, because they're not allowed to transport invasive marine species from this geographic area to the field location.
Divers and remotely operated vehicles have spent the last few months painstakingly cleaning an area the size of 6 football pitches.
It's actually using a high pressure water feed. The water pressure is about 70 bar pressure, and that's what detaches the marine growth from the hull, kind of washes it off for want of a better term.
On deck, the last of Prelude's 7 cranes is being tested to ensure its functionality.
This is the last piece of the jigsaw for construction and commissioning.
Okay, coming up on the book.
We're testing the main winch to 66 tonne, so 110% of safe working load. The easiest way to do it is to use the water bags.
Yeah, okay, coming down on the hook.
So there we have 66 tonne. Everybody happy?
We've done it. Last crane.
Mr. Liam, well done. Can open the valves. This is the end for construction phase. It's been a privilege to be on it, and I think we've done rather well.
We are in very good shape for sailing away. We are in a very high level of completeness, probably more complete than I've seen any facility before. All the utilities, all the power, of course all the marine systems, all the ballast, etc. So approximately half of the facility is actually running. It's mainly the facilities where we can't run before we get hydrocarbons on board, which is not running.
I just think it's incredibly important that when you hand something over, that the person that you're giving it to also has confidence in what they're receiving. And the only way you can do that is, seeing is believing. Oh, I think we're very proud of it. Everything's finished, and now it just looks like a LNG plant.
For some on the construction team, the sail away will be tinged with sadness, as their role in this epic endeavour comes to an end.
In 8.5 years, there's a lot of people that I've got close to. We've worked together, we've solved problems together, we've laughed, we've partied together. These are my favourite painters in the whole world. So Mr. O and Mr. Joe. These guys have painted the Yellow Forest. There's a lot of individuals that I have a lot of time for that I will miss, and it's difficult to say goodbye to them. Yeah. All right, they're the ones that get you.
Prelude will be staffed by 160 people during its journey to Australia, and there's no chance to restock supplies along the way. The kitchen staff need to be confident they have everything they need.
This is probably 2 tonne of sugar, 4 tonne of whole chicken, and we've got 300 kilos of one particular type of rice. Getting the meals right and serving things that are popular is, in my opinion, one of the most important things on the facility. Right, let's say we've got 80 kilos of Vegemite. Aussies love their Vegemite. I think it will be enough.
It's time for the offshore team to check out their new digs.
It's definitely the prettiest cabin I've seen offshore. No, pretty lucky to be enjoying some days and weeks in here actually. So no, I'm very comfortable. Oh, my wife will be proud. That's how you do it. Home, sweet home.
But before Prelude can sail, there's some paperwork to be done. The new owners sign on the dotted line.
Big moment. So we now move to the last phase of the project in incorporation.
For installation manager Steve Kidd, this moment could not have come soon enough.
I'm just super excited. The crew we have here are operations people and we love operations. Getting our hands on the toys is fantastic. Just itching to get out there.
Everything is set for Prelude's journey to Australia. At half a kilometre long, with no propulsion of its own, it will be towed the 6,000 kilometre journey.
Prelude will not stop from the moment tomorrow morning 5 o'clock that we start. She will not stop until we're in station.
It will take 3 of the world's strongest tugs to pull the 425,000 tonne facility.
The tug has 16,000 horsepower. If you compare that to Formula 1 car, it has 1,000 horsepower. So we have quite a bit of power. First, we will take Prelude safely off the berth. And then we're into the ocean towing, which takes us from Korea to Japan, then past the Philippines to Indonesia, and then to Australia. So tomorrow's the day.
Should be.
As dawn breaks on sail away day, there is barely a breath of wind.
It's about 5:10 and it's just pulled away from the quayside.
This is fantastic to see it leaving after so many years of work. You can feel it amongst everybody. I think there's a great sense of satisfaction by everybody.
Yes, we did it! We did it! Yes, Inca.
The whole vision of FLNG from the drawing board has been translated into a magnificent project here.
Went down to Australia, finished the hookup and into commissioning and startup. You know, just a fantastic day.